Hey guys, in this video we are going to add an image or display an image in our PDF file. So previously we have successfully created a simple PDF from our MySQL database, and we added a feature in our export product. Once we click on the PDF, it will export the product data. So now in the library that we use, there is a feature to display an image inside the file. So as you can see here, there is an image function. So if we're going to check that one in the main code, so here we'll just set the first parameter as the directory, and here this is possibly an image position, the X and Y, and then the width and height you can also set, and then the type. So I guess this is a data type, and then are the image type. Then we also have the link. I think we can use this image clickable. So in our dashboard inventory database, we have our inventory. So the products, we have an image description. However, this is just a product name, and we store our images inside the uploads and products. So using that image function, you can just add here a new, let's make an image header before the after the ID, and then here we can add the product. In column name is img. If we refresh our report, so we also need to set add a header, to call this one length of the width of our headers. Let's make it 50. Refresh. So as you can see, it is now showing. However, we'll need to capture also. Let's just copy, paste, and display that 5. Okay, refresh. So here currently we're showing it text. What we're going to do is, for now, let's just update the stack column, update the width. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make it 30, so we can have enough space for our image. Stack with 15. Then let's make it center, and then also let's add more than to our image, 60. Let's make it 65 or 70. So here as you can see, currently we are showing the image file name. So instead of the image file name, we'll just grab that function. So you can use this image. So this is the second row. So here we'll just need to use the image as our content, and then here we'll need to move outside the folder. So currently we are inside the database. So images, so let's just try this one. If this will work, just use the banner. So as you can see here, we have now the image, but this is a banner and this is bigger. So instead of the banner, what we're going to add here is the actual name of, or the data, the actual file name of the product from our database. So refresh. PNG, GPG. So we don't have the images. We'll need to go from our uploads, products. So refresh. So I guess we'll just try to copy this one and then hard code the row or the data. Fresh. So actually it displays, so I guess it's because of the file name. So how to do is only to add an if else statement. So row 1 if it's empty or it's null. So if it's null, then we'll use if null row 1, then we'll just maybe a text no image. Then if there is, then we'll show the image. So if we refresh, I think PNG is not supported. Let's see. It's supported. So the only thing we can do here is let's do an image variable. So image, then here we'll write move the query we have. So if row 1 equal is now no image else, now we'll have the image bottom, see the error. Or maybe let's remove the image. That's weird. So it still displays even if it's PNG, GPG, PNG. It's weird because as you can see it's a null. So let's just bottom check if row 1 is a null. False, false, false. So it's false image. So I guess we'll add more. Let's try to dump this one. So I guess null, or maybe if it's a null, or equals empty. So let's bottom the image. Place no image again, so good. And then this image brush, and as you can see, we have now the image. Next thing we need to do is we update the width and height of the image. There's still a value here, but we'll just make this one set to now, and then maybe a 50 width height. So as you can see here, so for refresh, the first one doesn't have an image. Here we display the image, so we have the image here. So the X one, I think I'll just need to make the add value, so it will five 50. So let's use 15 is the currently 20. So then we'll just use the Y. So unfortunately, I think we cannot move the this text move to the top because of the image. For now, we'll just make an image smaller. And then I guess we'll add more or set each of the sides. Currently the left and the right are only the one we add borders, so let's use the bottom and the top to have the border. And also next is we need to set the height of the cell. I think 30. So I guess the second one will just make it 6. So this ones are aligned with this, they are not aligned, so 30. I'll reset this one to now. So here's what we're going to do. We'll need to identify the placement. So currently if we set this to 70, then this will place all the images from this page, start to page, to this. So as you can see, we don't see any other images. So what we're going to do is going to identify the width. So here, as you can see, first image or the first row will have 45, I guess. So that plays correctly the image, if there is an image For now, I'm just going to comment this out and set, remove this, and just set the single image for each. So hard code image value. So fresh. So our starting point would be image y 30. So here we'll just set the here should be the image y plus y 45 fresh. So we don't have that variable, copy and paste. Then here we'll need to add increment the position. So image post y, and this image post y will have, so as you can see here, we have the length of 30, so we can just add 30 to our new image position for the next row. So I guess if we refresh, you can see here it only shows 2 products. Let's do a smaller one, 5. Okay, so I guess this is better. So then just play with this one. So I guess we're using the image correctly, however, because of the fill, so we can use the fill feature. So you can just remove this for now. I think this overrides the image, and that's why we don't see an image inside the PDF file. So just remove this one, color, remove this, refresh. So as you can see, we have an image, so we can also update, I guess, the image, not the height but the width. And of course, let's do a 35. Okay, 40. Just update this one 40, and then maybe we'll add the height, add more. So I guess this one is better compared before. So now we're just going to copy this and place it to our code, and then let's remove the comment and refresh. So as you can see here, we have successfully placed the image to our PDF file. So if we go to our report PHP and export PDF, as you can see here, we have images place. So I think we can add a center. Let's see if this will place it. So unfortunately it won't, but you can also adjust just the position of that. Do a 40. So we don't need to worry about an image because this will be a fixed value. So if you have a larger image to what we currently have, then it's fine. It will always set to this width and height. So you can hard code the image position, so do a 45, so that looks centers to me. Then let's make the product report, the header. So let's see if we can do 50. Not sure if it's yeah, this one looks better. So basically that's it. We have added an image and successfully placed it in a table in our PDF file. So the next video I'm going to add more of these Excel features. Currently they don't have yet a script that will pull the deliveries PO and suppliers, so I'm going to add them. And yeah,